Hello everyone, it's Deb. I thought I'd come today and show you some new digitals that I have in my shop. Some of them I was smart to label them for you and others I wasn't, but they're pretty self-explanatory. Most of them are anyways that aren't marked. Like this one here, it stamps. I hope that they show, the backgrounds of them show anyways. In here I'm standing up because I want to make sure you can see everything. This is the newest. It's 4 pages of collage, and I believe these are collage number 318. So yeah, if I stand up and hold that, then you won't be able to see it. Sorry, I'm in the middle of working, so my desk is a mess. I just thought I'd come on quick and just kind of give you an update on my Etsy store. So a lot of new collage sheets. Lots of fun. These I've printed on photo paper, so hopefully you can really see them well. If you're going to use them for collage, I would suggest just, printing them on regular paper, like printer paper, on a higher setting though. Otherwise your colors get kind of washed out. And this one I flipped around. I don't know what number this is, and there's 6 of these, so I'll just do one at a time. I found a book that has old, from like the 1800s, some, if I remember correctly, they are embroideries. And what I did was make my own brushes. So I've got some embroidery on the sides here. This one here, and you'll know this one when you see it on in my Etsy store, because it has the embroideries. Here's some more. And I've got a 20% sale going on for Vlogmas for the month of December. It goes until the last day of December. So 20% off everything in my shop, and you don't need a coupon or anything for it. You just go there. And here's another one with more embroideries. This one here, I love this one. This is from 1875. Trims and Edgings. It was from a book, and I took it, and I had to do a lot of work with this one. This is number 308, but this would be really fun. I'm going to hold it up closer so you can really see it. I had to enhance the colors. I had to do a lot of cleanup. But there's loads and loads and loads. I can't even remember like how many pages. I just printed, because there's so many pages, I printed these on regular printer paper for collage, and I'm gonna have a lot of collage here. And that was my point, was taking an 1875 book and making it into something that you could use for collage, or, whatever else you want to use it for. So that's all those. And then this one is Crochet Book from 1915. And it's number 307. So what I did with this one is I just kind of enhanced the more background color a little bit so that I should have made it look grungy is what I should have done, but I didn't do that. Anyways, there's lots of pages. There's lots of pages. I don't know. I don't remember exactly. It's in the listing, I believe. But these would be good for collage as well. Like even the print is very good. So, and there's lots and lots and lots and lots. See? So there's those. And this was from a crochet series 1 to 5 from 1883. And what I did with this one is I printed 2 per page. So you're getting that, which is, I'll give you an idea. Oh, and this is number 312 in my shop. This is 3.5 inches by almost 2.5. But the print, I thought, this would be a safe print to use as book page. Because I did 2 to a page, I can't do borderless. That's the only thing. But I didn't want the print to be too big. I like smaller print for my collage. So, hence why I did 2 per page. And this is an enormous book, as you see, 2 per page. So, and it goes on and on. Oh, what was that? Oh, there's so much in here. I think I skipped over a few things here. Just a second. Yeah, I did. Like crochet series. This one here is in red, and it says, it's hard to read, but this is the way it is in the book. This is 4 numbers issued. Okay. The contents of this is how to crochet, lambrequin designs, and miscellaneous designs, fine crochet work. So, see, we go into that then. There was something else that I flipped by here that I wanted to show you. I can't show so many images. I can't show so many images on Etsy. They only let you do 10, and I'm not even sure I did 10. But anyway, there's a lot here. Like, if I did a book, pages, the book pages, 2 per page, and it's that thick, you know, you're getting a lot. And I wanted to let you know as well, I'm going to grab these instead because I printed these borderless, so they're bigger. But I did a couple more guest checks. I know I've got a few guest checks already on my in my Etsy store, but these are 2 pinks in one. The pink guest checks, it says. So you can see, I got to turn my viewfinder here. You can see, and I know this is washed out, but believe me, it's a baby pink. I hope it shows up on the video. Right now it's not showing up on my screen. So it is a baby pink. This is a brighter pink. So you're getting two pinks. If you can see that. I think you can better here. Anyways, that's my update. There's a lot that I've been up to. A lot of stuff I've been fixing, and yes. Anyways, I hope you go to my Etsy store while the sale's on, because if you want collage, there's lots there. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. See you later. Bye now.